So today we are having a lot of high impact news. Today being the 1st of May, right? So we're having a lot of high impact news. So let's let's get started. By 1:30, we are expecting unemployment claims. Also by 3 p.m. also, we're also expecting ISM PMI. So today there is a high impact news on JPY pairs. So if you are trading all JPY pairs, um, probably you should. If you are trading JPY pairs, then you should expect high impact, right? You should expect high impact on JPY pairs. Okay, so we are expecting high impacts for JPY pairs and unemployment claims also by 1:30. So that's that. Let's go to our charts quickly so that we won't spend much of our time. So happy new month, everyone. This month is going to be a very good month for us, and we we pray that God's mercy shine upon us this month. Okay, so let's look at what dollar is doing for daily, weekly. In fact, welcome to dollar bullishness. You should expect dollar strength from this area because we have market rejecting this resistance turn support region. Okay, so market has touched a very, very strong high on strong resistance zone on dollar indices, right? It has touched a very strong resistance zone on dollar indices. So on dollar indices on monthly time frame. So we could expect, we can see also on a weekly time frame, we are also seeing a strong rejection at this support resistance zone, right? So we are seeing a strong rejection at this support resistance zone. So let's get set for a dollar, right? Let's get set for a dollar, right? Yes. Let's get set for a bullishness in dollar. So let's get set for bullishness in dollar. So daily time frame as well. Daily time frame also. Daily time frame also. So we are seeing bullishness of dollar. So I'm happy. I'm a little bit happy because my favorite pair is now gaining strength. My favorite pair is now gaining strength. So I'm quite very happy. So this month of May, we should see much more strength for dollar. So meaning that I said it yesterday that we are now having an inverted head and shoulder on 4 hours time frame. An inverted head and shoulder on 4 hours time frame. So we could be very, very bullish. No, we are going to be extremely bullish on US dollar, right? So you are going to be extremely bullish on US dollar. So that is it. So that is that from here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. So we see dollar to 108.985. I'm talking of technically, right? I'm talking of technical analysis. We see dollar to the top to bullish sentiments. That's what you are going to expect dollar to do. At that particular point in time. So everything is pointing out to the bullishness of US dollar. I've been repeating this bullishness for a while because I'm very happy. It's what I've been expecting. Okay, so it's what I've been expecting. The bullishness of dollar, it's what I've been expecting, right? So that is it on USDX. So today, we are going to be buying dollar. If you look at 1 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, you can see we are saying so we need a retest to about 99.330, 99.446 region. So we need a retest, a seller retest before we buy USDX. Okay, so let's start with Euro USD. Let's see if you're going to have any signal today. Guys, the signal we've been dropping on our funded client group is massive and it has been hitting profit back to back, right? So we've been having serious profits since last 3 weeks. We'll be having serious profits back to back, right? So what are our expectations? You can see Euro USD on a long time sell. So Euro USD is on a very, very long time sell, right? Okay, so Euro USD, quite all right. We see Euro USD rejecting a strong resistance level. And last week time frame, we have two rejection at this level. So we have price taking out this high liquidity, then rejected towards it. So we are selling Euro USD on a very long time, right? So we have a long time sales for Euro USD. Whatever buy you're seeing is just a retracement. Whatever buy you're seeing in Euro USD is export is just a retracement, right? So good 4 hours time frame. And for 4 hours time frame, what we just need is a proper retracement before we sell again, as the head and shoulder pattern has been confirmed. You see head and shoulder pattern here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then market moving to the downside. So we just need a retest, then boom, down to the downside. So except if there's going to be any fundamental, because I know this tariff war might not affect the market like that. But then if there's going to be much more fundamentals, you are still going to know. So we need a rejection for Euro USD. So I'm going to give us a sell stop order, right? So I'm going to give us a sell stop order um, around here. So we are looking at price at this resistance zone here, right? So we might literally use a sell stop order around here. And SL around here. And um, um, TP1 here, then TP2 around here. So sell stop, I think I should bring it down a little bit. No, let me just use it here. Okay. Okay. So Euro USD. USD sell stop at 1.12886. SL 1.13101. CP 1.12663. TP2 1.12413. Okay, so that's that this morning. Dropping it on our funded client group as well. Okay, so Hero USD shell stop at 1.12886. SL 1.13101. CP 1.12663. TP2 1.12413. Okay, so we've done that for Euro USD. So I'm dropping the signal right now. Okay, so please hold on, Mr. Farouk. We are going there. Okay, I know how bad you needed it, but we are going there. So let's go to gold, uh, daily time frame. Weekly, we can see after gold got into our serious all-time high. Let me see monthly. We have a strong rejection. So there is a need for a proper retracement for gold. So we see gold down to 2928, gold going down to 3090 region. On daily time frame as well, we have sellers popping in for gold, and on 4 hours time frame, you can see that we are still selling gold. We can see my analysis few days ago when I talked about sales of gold and all that. So we are selling gold, and we sell at retracement. Don't forget, sell at retracement. So opening price to get to 3273.10 region, this zone, before we sell gold. And gold can also react at this level, here. Yep. So gold can still react at that level. But let's wait and see. But 3271 is one of my strongest POI that I would love to see. But 3248 is also part of it. Hopefully, we have a strong rejection. And if we have another rejection here of gold, we might take a short sell down to 3224, right? So let's hold on to see what happens next for this gold, because this is a strong resistance zone. We have a liquidity here, so gold can just be quite bullish and break out this high and probably tap into 3271 before selling. But my ideal zone is 3271 for a proper sell. So I wait because gold is replacing at the moment. I wait to see what will happen next. We've done Euro USD. I gave a sell stop signal on Euro USD. Let's see what will literally happen. For a lot of people that have been craving for JPY pairs, right? It's on the funded client group, Mr. Shegun. It's on the funded client group. Okay, so and it's also on this group. Let's look at USD CHF. I gave a signal yesterday for USD, for NZD USD. It hit our TP1 and it moved. And I wrote it there that is going to sell no matter what. It's going to sell. So USCHF, we are quite bullish. I'll be looking to some buy sentiment for USDCHF. I'm looking for some bullish sentiment. You can see on a daily time frame, we have market rejecting this breaker block here, right? And weekly time frame also the same thing. You can see this rejection. So I'll be very bullish on USDCHF, extremely bullish. So guys, I need you to change your bias at the moment. You need to change your bias because market has moved from zoning from selling of dollar now to bullishness of dollar. So from now to probably next week, we are going to see the total confirmation. You're going to see the total confirmation of what I just said, right? So I'm very happy, right? Because dollar is one of my favorite pair, and we are having some bullish sentiment on dollar. So what we just need here is just a proper retracement before entering into the market, and hopefully we can have a pullback, right? We can have a buy stop order here, right? A buy stop order. No, I'm not going to drop a buy stop order. Why? Because this is a strong key level zone. So market can tap into that level and move up. So I'm going to ignore USCHF. Hopefully, we can look at USD card, but I'm quite bullish on dollar. How USD card is giving me a very good positive vibe, right? Okay, so let me look at weekly time frame. So 4 hours time frame. Can you all see my screen? Can you all see my screen? Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's continue our USD card. I think I'll be bullish on USD card. I'll be extremely bullish on USD card. So I'm going to use a buy stop order for USD card, right? So we have a buy stop here. We have stop loss. Then we have TP1, TP2. Okay. So USD card. I mean, market might get to this level before buying, but I just want to use the buy stop. So USD card buy stop at 1.38029, right? SL 1.37910, TP1 1.38150, TP2 1.38295. Okay, so that is that for USD card. Okay, so I think I dropped the signal for USD card. Okay, buy stop at 1.38029, SL 1.37910, TP1 1.38, 1.38150, TP2 1.38295. Okay, so I just dropped the signal, right? Also on our funded client group, right? So let's take notes of that. So I'm going to go for our special request, CHF JPYs, GBP JPYs. What I'll just do is I'll do for all JPY pairs, right? So all JPY pairs, all JPY pairs. So I'll just analyze one pair and it will be the same direction for all JPY pairs. Okay, just one pair, same direction for all JPY pairs. Okay, so do we agree with that? So I'll start with NZJPY. NZJPY, we are quite bullish on NZJPY. I think I said a few days ago that JPY pairs, I hope to see some bullishness on JPY pairs, right? So we have this. So we have that daily time frame. So you can see from here everywhere that JPY pairs is quite bullish, right? JPY pairs is quite bullish. Then we can see from here, we are buying JPY pairs. So all JPY pairs are bullish. If you are selling JPY pairs, you are very, very wrong. So NZD JPY, CHF JPY, Euro JPY, we are all bullish. Can you see from here? Market rejected this level and boom. What we just expect to see is a retracement, then we continue buying. So JPY, all JPY pairs are bullish. I'm not seeing any entry. Hopefully at Euro JPY. Euro JPY is even the worst. Okay, there is a news on JPY. There's a news on JPY pairs, right? CAD JPY, CHF JPY. Let's look at CHF JPY. Oh boy, we missed this. I was sleeping. Well, I'm human, so we have to rest. You can see they've all gone. And even I saw it very, very fast, I would have dropped it. But it's normal. We just need to wait for a normal retracement for entering into the market. I mean, CHF has shown us bullish sentiment since yesterday. You can see from here, support become resistance and rejecting the breaker block around here, then boom to the upside. So we can't enter anything JPY pairs, we can't enter at the moment. Let me check USD JPY. USD JPY. Ouch, 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 ouch. That's gone. So we can enter. Let's look at BTC. I'm bearish on BTC. I'm quite very, very bearish on BTC. I don't know, because the reason is because we are on this strong zone. Guys, if BTC, please mark my words, if Bitcoin could break above this zone, then the bull run will start. I've been the one that have been, giving us back-to-back analysis on BTC, even though some people might not believe in it. But I'm telling you, if Bitcoin could break this high, then forget about it. Bitcoin might get to 150,000. But if we could not, then we see Bitcoin back 90 something thousand. And from here, for my own white curve analysis, we've had market taking out this low. Market is just ranging above this high, and market is ranging below that high, this level, and we've not had tangible break of structure. So we have this as the low. Let me mark it here. So this is the low. here, sorry, here is the low, here is the high, right? So if you take this swing, market has been finding it difficult to break this high. So we could see market could break down, retrace, find another high and start moving to the upside. So that is what we are looking towards. So BTC, should I drop a signal on bearish signal? Just that BTC is just very volatile, but I'm just going to drop a sell signal on Bitcoin. So we can sell at current market price, sell current market price, SL here, TP1, TP1 is going to be here. You take TP1, TP1 is here. Let me take here, and TP2 here. So BTC, you can sell now, sell BTC now, sell BTC USD now, SL 95261.87 TP1, TP1 94562.76 TP2 94262.57. Okay, so I think I've dropped that. Please use a proper lot size. Use a proper lot size and don't over leverage your account. BTC is very um BTC is very volatile. Okay, so we could expect a short retracement, but don't waver, don't panic. We are going to sell BTC. Okay, so that is that this morning. Thank you very much. Like I said recently, we are planning on doing 10x challenge, right? 10x challenge, meaning that we are going to fund your account and we are with our profitable signals and mentorship. We are going to give you signals and also tell you the analysis to put. I mean, the lot size, we give you the instructions and everything. Then we take the trade together. Okay, so if you fund 500 US dollar until you get to 5,000 US dollar, that is when we are going to stop. Okay, so that's that. It might take us few months, it might take us few weeks, it might take us few days. Okay, but we are getting there. And make sure you don't withdraw until we get to that amount. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful trading day. There is a public holiday in Nigeria, so all physical classes closed. Okay, so all physical classes closed till next week. Good morning, everybody.